So hello everyone, welcome to another video session class. So today we will continue about the anti-tubercular drugs. So we will study about thiacetazone. Okay, thiacetazone. So it is a type of anti-tubercular drugs. So we will see first about its properties. Okay. So what are the properties? So it is obtained is pale yellow color crystal from methanol. So if it is crystallized with methanol, it will give pale yellow color crystal. Okay, and you have to remember this thiacetazone is bitter in taste. So it is bitter in taste. And next, its melting point. So its melting point ranges from 225 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. So this is the melting point range of thiacetazone. Okay. So next properties, another property is this is our solubility index. So its solubility, okay, it is soluble in hot alcohol. Okay, it is soluble in hot alcohol. Then it is very sparingly soluble in cold alcohol. So you have to remember this thiacetazone is very sparingly soluble in cold alcohol, while it is soluble in hot alcohol. Okay, so depending upon the hot alcohol and cold alcohol, its solubility differs. Okay, so next it is insoluble in water. So you have to remember this is insoluble in water. Then acetone, then carbon disulfide, that is CH2, carbon disulfide CH2, then in benzene, and also it is also insoluble in pyridine, not pyridine, PET ether, petroleum ether. So you have to remember this thiacetazone is insoluble in water, acetone, carbon disulfide CH2, benzene, and petroleum ether. While and I already discussed that it is about solubility. It is soluble in hot alcohol and very sparingly soluble in cold alcohol. Okay, so these are the solubility profile. So next we will see what are the uses. Okay, so it is used for pulmonary tuberculosis tuberculosis along with isoniazid. So we have already studied about the isoniazid. That is also an anti-tubercular drug. So it is used for pulmonary tuberculosis along with isoniazid. It is also used for leprosy. So you know that is leprosy is caused by Mycobacterium leprae, and this tuberculosis is also a Mycobacterium type of disease. So this drug is used for both leprosy and this, along with isoniazid, it is used for pulmonary tuberculosis. So these are the uses. So next we will see what are the preparations. So preparations or formulations, okay, it is as per Pharmacopoeia of Standard Drug Compendium. We have to see what are the preparations. So as a pure standard drug, thiacetazone IP is available, and thiacetazone and isoniazid in the tablet form. Isoniazid tablets, I am writing here tablets. So as per IP it is designed or synthesized as per or standardized as per IP. So these are the common formulation. So after preparation or formulation, we will see what are the brands. So brands, as I always say, some of the brands which are containing thiacetazone I will give, and rest you have to study from yourself, from internet or from book. Okay, you can see. So what are the brands? Tibone. So this is containing your thiacetazone, then Contaven, then Tebezone. Okay, so these are the brands. Then Seroden. So these are the etc. I am writing etc. because many other brands which are containing are there, drugs are there which are containing thiacetazone as a active drug. Okay. So next, storage condition. So you remember this thiacetazone turns to darken in color upon reacting with light. Okay. So if you keep in sunlight, it will become dark. So it should be kept in well closed container and protected from light. Okay. So for light protection, I always say which type of container? Amber colored container should be used to keep the drug safe from or protected from light. Okay. So this is about thiacetazone. Okay. Brands are Tibone, Contaven, then Tebezone, Seroden. Okay. Rest you have to study from internet. Then storage conditions. What are the storage conditions? So I said that if it's come in contact with the light, it will darken in colors. So it should be protected from light by keeping that one in an amber color bottle. Okay, and we should keep that one in well closed container. So this is about thiacetazone. So next we will study about ethionamide. Okay, another compound which is anti-tubercular drug. Okay, that is used for tuberculosis. So its property, we will study about the properties. Okay, so it is bright yellow crystalline powder. Okay, crystalline powder. So it is bright yellow crystalline powder. Then it is having unpleasant, okay, taste. It is having unpleasant taste. So you have to remember this one is having unpleasant taste or sulfurous taste. Okay, so it is having sulfuric acid like taste or sulfur taste. Okay, unpleasant sulfurous taste. So next property, melting point. It is at hot temperature it melts. So melting point ranges from 164 degrees Celsius to 166 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this one is the melting point range of this ethionamide. Okay, so next we will see about solubility. Okay, next we will see about the solubility. So it is very sparingly soluble in water and ether. Okay, so if you remember, this is very sparingly soluble in water and ether, then sparingly soluble in methanol. Okay, methanol, ethanol and propylene glycol. Okay, propylene glycol. I am writing here. Propylene glycol. Okay, then it is soluble in, so this is very sparingly soluble in water and ether. Okay, then sparingly soluble in ethanol and propylene glycol. Then solubility, we are still studying solubility. Then soluble in hot acetone and dichloroethane. Okay, so it is soluble in hot acetone and dichloroethane. Then freely soluble in pyridine. So you have to remember, it is soluble in hot acetone and dichloroethane and freely soluble in pyridine. Okay, so this is about the solubility. And on keeping on light, it used to darkens. Okay, it used to attain a dark color. So we have to keep that one in protected from light. Okay, so next uses. What are the uses of this ethionamide? So it is used as tubercular drug for tuberculosis. Okay, it is also used as secondary chemotherapeutic agent in tuberculosis. So these are the uses. So you have to remember, this is mainly used as anti-tubercular drugs. Okay, to treat tuberculosis. Okay, so these are the uses. So next we will see formulations or preparations. So what is the formulation for preparation? Ethionamide is a pure form. It is available as per British Pharmacopoeia. Okay, that is BP. Then ethionamide tablet, okay, as per BP and USP, United States Pharmacopoeia. That is as per British Pharmacopoeia and United States Pharmacopoeia. Okay, so these are the formulations. Next, we will see about brands. Okay, so brands I will give some and you have to study rest. Okay, so brands: imidazine, okay, one drug. Brands, then Trecator, okay, then Nisotin, another drug. Brands is containing ethionamide. So etc. Rest you have to study from book and as well as from internet. You can see some of the brands or drug which are containing ethionamide. Okay, and storage condition. Storage conditions: keep in well closed container, keep it protected from light. So you, as I already mentioned, then that protected from that, it used to get degraded or darkens in color when come in contact with in light. Okay, from light. So for light protection, we will always use amber color bottle for light degradable drugs. Okay, so this to compound for today. Thank you.